You want to know how to add bullet points in Gmail? I'm going to show you on a live Compose window. Gmail is already open in the browser, so click the Compose button in the top left. It has the pencil icon next to it and sits just above your inbox labels. A new message window opens in the bottom right corner. That's where everything for this list happens. Look at the bottom toolbar of that new message window. On the left, you'll see the blue Send button, then a row of smaller icons. In the default Compose window, the one you want is the underlined A, just to the right of Send. That's the Formatting Options button. If your tool menu is hidden, this is the button that opens it. Click it once. The toolbar expands upward and reveals bold, italic, underline, text color, alignment, and the list buttons. The bullet controls were always there. Gmail just tucks them behind this A until you open it. If you've used formatting in a previous draft, the row may already be open, and you can skip this click and go straight to the bullet icon. Before you click the bullet button, click once inside the empty body of the email. This is the mistake that catches people. The list buttons act wherever your cursor is sitting. If the cursor is still up in the subject line, clicking the bullet button won't put a bullet in the message. So click in the message area, and then find the bulleted list icon on the expanded toolbar. It's the icon with 3 horizontal lines and a small solid dot before each one. It sits immediately to the left of the numbered list button. Click it. A single bullet appears in the body, and your cursor lands right after the dot. That's your confirmation you clicked the right one. If you see a number instead, you hit the numbered list button by mistake. Press Ctrl-Z to undo that, then click the dotted icon. Now type the first point. I'm going to use needs to be done before Friday as the example, because that's a real line someone might put in a work email. After the bullet, type your text and then press Enter. Gmail automatically starts a second bullet on the next line. You don't click the bullet icon again. Type a second point, like send the invoice, and press Enter again. Each enter on a line that already has text carries the bullet down to a fresh line. If you need to insert a bullet in the middle of the list, click at the end of the line above where you want it, then press Enter. Gmail creates an empty bullet in between, and you can type the new point in. That's much faster than cutting and pasting. If you already typed several lines somewhere else, highlight them all before clicking the bullet icon. Gmail puts a bullet in front of each line at once. When your list is finished, press Enter once on an empty bullet. Gmail closes the list and returns you to normal paragraph text. That removes the extra dot cleanly, so you're not left with a stray bullet at the bottom of the email. I always close it out because it looks cleaner. If you want a line break inside the same bullet, instead of starting a new dot, hold Shift and press Enter. Gmail moves down one line without adding another bullet. I use that for addresses or long notes inside a list. The whole list stays in the body, with the dots aligned to the left edge. While the list is still there, one thing you'll probably want next is a subpoint under a bullet. Click anywhere on the line you want to indent, then click the Increase Indent button on the formatting bar. It's directly to the right of the bulleted list icon and looks like a horizontal arrow pushing to the right. Gmail moves that bullet inward and turns it into a second level. I use this instead of the spacebar because spaces never stay lined up when Gmail wraps the text. To remove bullets later without deleting your text, highlight the full list and click the bulleted list icon a second time. The dots disappear, and the text stays exactly where it is. That's the fastest undo if you change your mind. And if you need an ordered list instead of bullets, click the numbered list button next to it. Gmail swaps the dots for numbers without retyping anything. That's useful for steps or a ranked list. If that got your Gmail list working, give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.